If you want to operate an EC2 instance, first select it and then right-click. You'll see the Cloudshot AWS option. Click on it, and you'll find various operation options like Start, Stop, Restart, and Terminate. In this case, we'll choose to stop the EC2 instance. From the Operations menu, you can start, stop, restart, or terminate your EC2 instance as needed. When the EC2 instance turns orange, it means it's shutting down. Once it turns gray, it has completely stopped. Now, let's see how to start an EC2 instance. First, select the instance you want to start, then right-click on it. You'll see the Cloudshot AWS option. Click on it. In this case, we'll choose to start the EC2 instance. Go ahead and click Start. When the EC2 instance turns yellow, it means it's pending. Once it turns green, it has completely started. If you want to terminate an EC2 instance, it will only be terminated after the user confirms and has authorization to do so. Thank you for watching.